You can be a tech person without learning one line of code.
So how do you get this done?
Welcome to my day one mini series of using free CRM tools to build our projects, build our portfolios, and showcase to people, showcase to recruiters, showcase our skills to people who might be interested in our skills that say we know this thing. So let's go. The main tool we will be exploring for our day one is Mailchimp. Mailchimp. Mailchimp is a CRM tool that lets you organize your contacts, manage segmentations, manage send out campaigns, which is basically the foundation of being a CRM specialist.
Go to your Google account or your Chrome and type in Mailchimp. Mailchimp. When you have that, make sure you use that yellow button right there to sign up for your free account. And here are the standard plans and the other plans that you can explore just to know what is going on. But right now we are signing up for free. I'm going to be using my personal account email, and I'm just going to use a very strong password right now to sign up for this account. And then one thing is that they have a lot of verifications that you need to get done. I make sure you get all this thing done just to prove that you are not a robot, which I think it's good security wise. It might be annoying, but get this done. So guys, tell me that you have a Mailchimp account right now. Let's clap. I have to do my verification. A code has been sent to me, and here it is, done and dusted. So what describes my organization? I will be making use of the professional services. Listen to me right now. This is why we are here. In this particular setup, we will be picking the email, automations, and transactional emails, because this is why we are here. What tools are you currently using? Let's go for nothing, because you are simply new to this. Then you need to import your brand, but simply because we are new, we are not going to be importing anything. We are starting from the scratch, and this lead you to where we pick the industry. We are going to be picking a clothing brand. How many email contacts do we have? None. We are what? New. So right, you're going to see the other plan that we have. They're going to be showing you all these other details, and we need your card. Yes, please simply put in a card that you are not using, and then have your account for now. You skip all those things, we move on to getting your account prepared. The main reason why we are here: automations, campaigns, forms, and all this.
I hope you have been following every steps that I've been showing you in the video, and right now you are a Mailchimp account owner. You did that! So that is the first step to you being a CRM specialist. So in my next video, I will be showing you all those things, the campaigns, the automations, the audiences, and then I'm going to show you how to do this and make sure that you have a project. Just like I said, you are going to have a mini project that you are going to show me. Just write in the comment section if you have encountered any problem or any issues while trying to create a Mailchimp account. Subscribe, comment, and like. Let's get your CRM career path started. Bye.